Southwesterly winds of the trough are overspreading a powerful, low-level jet of air rushing, creating incredibly large amounts of both speed and directional to cause thunderstorms to begin rotating. Noting that all the ingredients for severe weather are now in place, the Storm Prediction Center rare, high-risk outlook for
Direk
weather,
ka po.
including a 30% outlook for strong tornadoes. By 1 a.m., a tornado outbreak was already underway across Mississippi and Alabama as unexpected lines of powerful
Umalis ka!
thunderstorms called quasi-linear convective systems QLCS
Sasampalin ko
the
ng
area,
bato.
spawning over 70 powerful tornadoes along with strong straight-line winds, causing
Ayoko na!
infrastructure, also leaving behind dangerous thermal vector draped across northern Alabama and Mississippi. As bad as things were,
Ipapatulpo kita.
to get worse.
Papatulpo
As the
kita.
sun begins
Sige.
to heat up the atmosphere on April 27th, meteorologists
Isa.
say the storm system was even stronger than expected.
Ipapatulpo kita, oh. Naka-CCTV ka, oh. Isa! Ayun, oh.
A major outbreak of intense, long track, perhaps violent tornadoes is expected. However,
Ang ngarte na inis ako, ah.
At 10:30 a.m., a cluster of storms emerged near Monroe, Louisiana, slowly gaining strength before merging together, organizing into a
Ayoko na nga.
supercell, spinning faster and faster as the cloud. Just after 3 p.m.,
Susundan ko magmumukha nito talaga.
within seconds, reaches the surface.
Ayoko na kasi.
Initially causes only weak
Magkakapya ka, matatapon yung kape ko.
patches of trees, causing damage to rural structures. However,
Umalis ka.
later, the tornado rapidly intensifies, completely destroying a couple mobile homes and scattering the debris long distances. The strengthening tornado
Napunit na yung damit, oh. Oo, napunit na. Kiyan, natatatumba na ako.
northeast over 60 miles per hour.
Ang kulit eh.
That multiple people began reporting the tornado for the first time.
Ang kulit ng batang to eh.
Anchor, Dixieland. One of
May
these
ganito ba
residents,
kayong ano?
Jay Rowe, films the tornado as the
Batang
largest
maasar.
Ayaw mo kasi ano eh.
May ganito ba kayong batang kulit?
Ayaw mo ba kasi ako ipatanong mo eh.
Batang asar. Ang lakas bang asar eh.
roar of the approaching tornado only getting louder. The family decides to move out of the
Harot.
tornado's way. When they return, there's little remaining of their home. After sweeping away many
Hilablab na bata.
races off to
Ang
the northeast,
bata.
leaving behind
Nalablab.
unbeknownst to those in its path,
Ano?
the true
Diyan mo kasi nilagay yung braso mo.
At 3
Ano naman?
p.m., the
Saan?
National Weather Service issues a
Ah,
storm
sorry.
tornado warning as the now large and extremely dangerous tornado is approaching the small towns of Okolana, New Bern, Amory, and Smithville, Mississippi.
Batang asar.
After crossing
Ayaw mo
County
kasi ako
150,
i-ano
the
eh.
tornado abruptly began
Batang
to
asar.
extreme intensification.
Ayaw mo kasi
Badly
ako
debarked
ipaano.
trees
Padang
completely
dito
leveling
ko na.
well-built homes down to
Ang
their
ano?
foundations, with some being completely swept away.
Robloxing ko yung mukha mo.
Roblox.
Rapidly expanding
Aray.
tornado was so intense here that it even began to rip up the earth, creating a nearly mile-long swath of severe ground scattering despite moving at over 60 miles per hour.
Batang
At this
asar.
speed and size, this extreme damage is inflicted in less than 2 seconds.
Batang mabalit ang nunoy.
Takes a photo of the tornado, revealing the monster wedge
Ito,
as it
ito
passes just to its north.
Oo nga, may tosino tayo.
4 miles away on Highway 45.
Namimili naman siya ng
55
ulamin niya.
Lynn Davis is driving south in his white pickup truck
Ano?
on his way to help his friend Tim, who suffered damage from a tornado.
Nag-autolock na yan.
Lynn begins to notice something
Hindi
strange.
na, Noy. Meron doon, Noy, ulam.
Chilling phrase.
Wait
Uy,
lang.
ang freezer, isa na mo.
All suddenly ends.
Uy, ang kuryente, ang kuryente.
Lynn watches in horror as Lynn's vehicle is peeled off the
Meron doon ulam ito, ah. Kulit nito eh. Hindi naman tumapakali. May marinate ako ng chicken, oh. Marinated. Naghahanap po ng ulamin tong kulit na ta.
tornado inflicts
Come on, kulit.
damage to several well-constructed brick homes.
Kulit to.
completely sweeping them off their foundations, causing
Ang
intense
kulit-kulit ni
vegetation
kulit.
and scouring the ground. As the tornado moves past town, however, it suddenly begins to weaken.
Big boy na eh.
Delicate
Kulit-kulit
balance of
pa.
forces that have trapped Lynn Davis
Magkataho ka?
midair.
Tayo mo.
Lynn comes crashing back
Kuya,
to
dali.
sadly killing him on impact. Lynn Davis's truck had
Ano,
floated
taho?
an unbelievable 1.7
Taho ka mo, taho.
miles through the air,
Bibili siya, taho.
finally landing near the fountain. Two begin to notice a strange-looking
Kaya ate yung isa.
directly to the
Ah, uy!
northwest.
Hindi yan. Ito sa'yo. Kaya ito sa'yo. Madaya to eh. Kaya ate yan. Ilagay mo dito. Dali na. Dali na. Ilagay mo na. Bad naman eh. Papalit niya pa ng ininuman niya eh.
Tornado starts its life as a
Bad yun.
relatively weak vortex, doing little more
Kaya
than
ate yan.
snapping trees as it moves along the Tom Digby waterway. But this
Halika dito,
weak
dali.
phase is short-lived. The tornado's condensation
Inumin mo,
foam
inumin
suddenly
na.
reaches the ground and explodes in intensity, drilling a narrow but incredibly intense swath of damage, removing several inches of grass and soil from the surface.
Taho!
At the same time, the now violent tornado crashes into a forest, flattening every single tree in its path, stripping them of their.
Sarap.
It's at this moment, however, that something unexpected happens. As the tornado passes through the forest, its
Sarap ng
force
tao.
suddenly collapses, ripped
Magkape
apart
tayo,
by the
magkape.
intense wind shear,